Check out this Ram 2013 2500 Tradesman 4x4 Crew Cab LWB 6.7L Diesel. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 4WD type, part-time, 6.7-liter inline 6-cylinder engine, air conditioning, clock, in radio display, cruise control, dusk sensing headlights and engine hour meter. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.